So I've owned the Tesla Cybertruck for 10 months now, and one of the accessories that I get asked about the most, as far as if I own it or if I know of anybody that's making one, is the truck bed divider. Now Tesla sells one on their website. The problem with Teslas is either A, it's always sold out, B, it's expensive, or C, and most importantly, theirs doesn't work with a truck bed mat. Most people that I know that have a Cybertruck have a bed mat to protect the floor and bed of their truck. Unfortunately, Tesla's OEM divider doesn't work for that. Well, I have an accessory here today from Cybergear that not only works with the truck bed mat, but it's also cheaper and it's available. So let's check it out. This is the divider for the Cybertruck. The unique part about it is that we're able to use it with the bed mat. The way that works is, as you can see, it has these feet on each side. So that's the right side. There's one on the left. You're able to adjust their height. It gives you a pass-through down here, which is essential because when you have a truck bed mat, it adds a little bit of height to the bed floor of the truck. And so the OEM Tesla divider doesn't give you that space. And then you're able to adjust these, but you're able to turn these and adjust it as you need. One thing that's nice as well is these are rubber. So the rubber bed mat plus the rubber feet really give you a nice grip, keeps everything in place. Super easy to install. It comes complete and put together, so you don't need to do anything. You just take it out of the box and put it in the bed of your truck. Let me just show you how it works. So as you can see, once you lift this up, it releases it from the L track on both sides. So now you're able to remove it and put it in a new spot if you need to. Let's go ahead and look at the way this works. So all you got to do is line these two circles up into your L track. So just find a spot on the L track that works for you, and then you just press down on this lever here and it locks into place. So let me go ahead and show you how that works. So for me, I think I just want to kind of put it all the way up against the MOLLE panels. That kind of works for me. I'm just going to press down on this, and when I do so, you can see it locks it into place. Super simple, really easy. As you can see, it's locked in. It's not going anywhere. Now I have a really nice divider, which is essential for me because, as you guys know, with the rooftop tent, my bed rack, now I'm able to put a first aid kit, some dump pouches, which I have some tools and strapping in, my tire deflators, and this is all on my divider because it has the MOLLE panels. And then what's really nice is that I can put a cooler here if I want. I could put a water jug if I want. Now when I go camping, I have a whole setup. I feel good about the fact that it's not going to slide around. I'm going to keep everything that I want at arm's length and not have to worry about spillage or things rolling around. Another thing from Cybergear, MOLLE panels. So once again, these are super easy to install, and I'll go ahead and show that in this video. You put these MOLLE panels up and it just gives you some extra storage that you can kind of put some dump pouches or bags or anything that attaches to MOLLE panels up onto those and out of the way, and it keeps your floor space empty. So for me, when I go camping, what I want to do is I want to be able to put my Honda ATC back here for my son. I could put that up against the cab of the truck, have a cooler here, have my water jug, have all my tools and supplies, and just kind of keep everything organized, keep everything separate, nothing's banging up against each other. I could put a spare tire back here. Once again, keep that separated. So far, I'm really loving this, and I think this was a huge need for Cybertruck owners because, like I said, Tesla's divider wasn't working with bed mats, and like I said, I know a lot of people have bed mats. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave links down in the description for all of these products, and if you're interested in any of them, you can go ahead and get one. Let me go ahead and show you guys the installation for the MOLLE panels so you guys have that information as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, so there's some pieces that we need to put together for the MOLLE panels. They give you these instructions, seems pretty straightforward, so let's go ahead and start working on it. All right, so there's the first one. Just putting these brackets on with the supplied screws. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Now let's go ahead and complete the second one, and then we'll get them installed on the L track. Yeah. All right, second panel is done. Now what we need to do is place these into the L track and that's what the screws are going to screw into.